card number 7 also uses one of the little note cards. Of course, if you haven't got these note cards, either cut a piece to size or use a normal A5 portrait style card. You'll still get a lovely effect. Now to do this, I've got a piece of the cable and I'm just going to colour it with a little bit of green. And again, decide which you like best. I think I'm going to go with the deboss side, and I'm going to stamp Joy on top of it. Now you need to press quite hard when you're doing this because of the embossing. There we are, but that's worked well. And again, let's find a little gold bit. I have still got a little one I can use here. And while we've got the Joy stamp out, I'm just going to do the background. I didn't want for this one just a plain background, so I went a bit wild with Joy. It's a good thing to go wild with. And let's just find some scrap paper to, I want to do it with my card flat, but I don't want to go over the back of the card, so I just put some scrap paper in the way. And a good idea is to keep changing the angle of your stamp, and that helps with the random look. And I'm just going to do, while I'm in stamping mode, let's do the back of the envelope with some Joy. And what should we have on the inside of the card? Let's just have a few little berries. So then you can see I've made these little photo corners, and the way I've done that is to cut a strip from what's left of the envelope paper and fold a triangle down there, and then fold the other side of the triangle like so, and that gives my little photo corner. And I find it's easier to do it like that rather than measuring. Now if you're worried about the words on the card, you want 2 that way up and 2 with the words the other way up. And now I'm just going to put some tape on the back here. So I'm just going to slide it into my little corner and then squeeze on the back to attach it to the tape. And then that's going to stick onto this, which is the half of one of the other card fronts that I've prepared earlier. Then find a little scrap of white. Here we go. I can put "To the World" on. To the World, and then just trim that. And I find with very small pieces, it's easier to use your scissors than the guillotine or trimmer. But each to his own. And that on there. Luckily this double-sided tape is quite narrow, so that will do the job. Trim that down, and then I think I'll use some dimensionals. Well, joy to the world. So I do hope you've enjoyed seeing my version of the Joy to the World kit, and that you will have a go at expanding the kit to make your own set of 24 cards. And I do wish you a very, very happy Christmas and a peaceful New Year.